Namaste, good evening. I am Swati Tomar. Welcome to my channel, The Ring of Truth. Do you know that what relief news has Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan brought for the people of the country? Or what special gift has this mission brought for the poor section of the society? Of course, you are all very smart, but still I want to clarify some important points mentioned under the mission. To know about all these points, you have to stay with me till the end of the report. Around 22% population of India is living below the poverty line. India seems to be performing very well ever since country got rid of the British clutches. Here let me tell you one thing, India is the country with the highest population is poor. The poverty rate at the time of independence was around 70%. But after independence, some major changes in Indian economy took place. Various political parties came to power and announced different plans and packages in their own way to lift the country up from the poverty. Today, the poverty rate in India is 21.1%, which is a considerable improvement in the economy after 1947. But 2020 has proved bad in terms of economy and people's lives. For the last 3 months, whole world is struggling with coronavirus outbreak. This tiny virus hit the world's economy. Keeping view all these circumstances, various nations announced stimulus packages to deal with COVID-19. Japan and America have the highest package amount with 21.1 and 13% respectively of their GDP. At the same time, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a relief package of 20 lakh crore, which is 10% of its GDP. It comes at 19th position in the world. PM named the package Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. We know that this is a stimulus package, but is it not necessary to know how is this mission different from the package of other countries? Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan or Self-Reliant India Mission is about the importance of local products or promoting the local products by cutting down the import dependence. This mission is not meant to lock the doors to other countries, but to make oneself self-dependent. Of course, it looks like a relief package of other countries, but there is one thing that makes it completely different from other countries like US and Japan. Indian package is not entirely a government package. The package includes spending of RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Unlike other countries, India's self-reliant economic package is not totally in new spending. It includes 1.7 lakh crore funding that was announced by government in March 2020. It also includes measures taken by the RBI such as liquidity and cutting interest rates, whereas the package of US is an economic measure to reinvigorate the economy with new spending. The entire package amount, which is $2.7 trillion of US, doesn't include Federal Reserve funds. Rather, it is completely a government spending. Now the time is to highlight some key points mentioned under the package. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman unfolded the economic measures to fight COVID-19. Under the Self-Reliant India Mission, micro, small and medium industries, workers, laborers and farmers will be given the maximum benefit. Farmers will be given more benefits under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana, as well as more benefits and employment will be given to the workers under Manrega scheme. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said during the press conference that government will allocate an additional 40,000 crore for the Manrega employment guarantee scheme. Nirmala Sitharaman announced 500 crore assistance for beekeeping. This will increase the income of 2 lakh beekeepers. That's all in today's report. If you like my video, then do like and subscribe my channel.